Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a bit more detailed example of the regex expression or the type of password, the input type of password. So we're just going to go a bit more detailed in this. So the thing is that the regex expression can also be used on the password. Now this is an example of a regex expression that is used on the password. What this means is that the 8 at the end, okay, that specifies that the minimum number of characters in the password should be 8. So look, if I put a title or a title, now I put a tooltip on my password like that, you can see that it says like this: must contain at least one number, one uppercase and lowercase letter, and at least 8 or more. So what this does is what this one right over here, what this means is that A to Z should be like any small case character from A to Z. Okay, it should have at least one, and then at least one uppercase from A to Z. That's what this tells. And these brackets with the question marks, don't worry about that much. That just says that you must look at anywhere, any position in the text, not any specific position, but like straight, like throughout the text it should have that. So I mean, if you didn't put any of this inside, and it's going to look only at the one point, it's going to look character by character. So then it will be, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and then we have a D. Now I'm not sure really exactly what the D does. I think it's for digit, so one number. Okay, so that's what it is. Now I mean, let's just give this a shot. Firstly, if I submit this like that, it's going to say please fill out this field, and that's because the username is a field that's required right over here. You can see. Okay, so I enter my username. I'm just going to say my name is Adam. Okay, now once I come over the password, you can see that is a lowercase character, a capital uppercase, a number, and minimum 8 characters. So let's try to give it a minimum of 1 character, or actually no, let's just give it 2 characters like that and see what it does. Now submit. You can see that please match the requested format, must contain at least, okay, whatever, because the thing is what I entered into this is this double H. Okay, so it's a lowercase character. We satisfied that requirement. Then I need an uppercase character, so let's now just enter at least 8. So I'm going to say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this is 8 at least. So I've satisfied this, and I've satisfied the fact that it's a number. Now I need a capital, so let me just submit, and you can see it doesn't submit. Now I need a capital letter, so I'm going to put in a capital. So I'm going to say start F, and then once I do this and I paste it over here, you can see that the capital requirement is also gone. Now I'm just going to put a small f at the end, and this is just going to make it complete. Now if I submit, you can see that it does in fact submit, and it says file not found, and that's because I haven't really put a file at that address. So don't worry about it. Like, I mean, action.php, what that means is just go to that PHP file. I mean, I can just go to the index.index2, which is my other file, like index 2.html. just go there. That's what the action does. So I can just go there real quick. Okay, submit. I'm just going to refresh this, and you can see my password appears there. But yeah, once I submit, you can see that oh yeah, I forgot, this shouldn't have this URL there, sorry. Alright, so if I refresh this, you can see that I'm just going to enter my password again, and then I submit. Then you can see that it says welcome to my cool animated page, and then if I say click me, and that's what it does. Still never programmed this button, but yeah. So that's what regex is in password. Thanks for watching.